Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the essential Forex tips every beginner must know, especially if you're interested in synthetic markets. This video is all about understanding the basics, protecting yourself, and building the right mindset every successful trader starts with. Let's get straight into it. Tip 1. Understand what you're trading. Before you jump into any market, Forex or synthetics, make sure you truly understand what you're trading. Know basic terms like volatility, trend, pullback, and risk. A trader who doesn't understand the market is simply guessing, and guessing is the fastest way to lose money. Take your time to learn the fundamentals so you're not just pressing buy and sell without a purpose. Tip 2. Learn risk management first. Risk management is the foundation of long-term success. Beginners often skip this part because they are focused on making money fast. But successful traders focus on protecting their money first. Never risk more than you're comfortable losing, and always think long-term. A stable strategy is far better than fast profits. Tip 3. Don't trade with emotions. Emotions can destroy your decision-making. Fear makes you exit too early, and greed makes you overtrade. The best traders stay calm, patient, and focused. Always follow a plan, not your feelings. When you learn to control your emotions, you have already beaten half the market. Tip 4. Start with a demo environment. If you're a beginner, your main goal should be learning, not risking real funds. A demo environment helps you practice reading charts, understanding movement, and training your discipline. Don't rush into live trading. Let demo trading build your confidence before you take any real risks. Tip 5. Avoid overtrading. Overtrading is one of the biggest account killers. Some beginners feel they must trade every minute, but that usually leads to losses. 1 or 2 good setups a day are enough. Quality beats quantity. Be patient, wait for clear opportunities, and stick to your plan. Tip 6. Don't follow signals blindly. Signals might look attractive, especially when you're new, but relying on them blindly stops you from learning. Even if you use signals, make sure you understand why the trade was taken. Think for yourself. The goal is not to depend on others but to grow your own trading knowledge and confidence. Tip 7. Track your progress. A simple trading journal can change your entire journey. Record what you learn each day, what went well, and what mistakes you want to avoid next time. Tracking your progress helps you improve faster and shows you exactly where you need to grow. Final advice. Remember, trading is not a race. It's a journey of learning, discipline, and patience. Focus on knowledge first, and the profits will follow. Keep improving, stay disciplined, and don't forget to enjoy the learning process. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.